Look, whew, look at this thing. God damn. What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and today we are going to be installing these Race Star drag pack on my SRT8 charger. Just cleaned her up today. So right now I'm currently running on my 10.5-inch Hellcat replica wheels. I have the AZ 850 315 35 20 wheels, or tires, excuse me. So I'm gonna be taking these off and seeing if there's any, if I had any rubbing on these 315s, because I know that a lot of you guys were asking and I didn't feel anything, but I won't know for sure until I take the tire out. So one thing, we'll find that out, and then we're gonna be adding, like I said, these Race Star drag packs with the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS tires. These are 305 45 17s. All right, so there's multiple ways to be able to jack these SRT8s up. One way is from the rear diff, which I'm thinking about doing, but the only thing, and that's if I want to do both at once. The only thing, sorry about the blurry camera, is that I'm kind of worried about that front lip getting hit on the ground as I jack it up. So I'm just gonna do one at a time. So I'll just jack it up one at a time. I'll jack it up from this jack point here, and then I'll do one tire and then the other. All right, let's get it done. All right, so there it is. I got it off. Good chance to check brake pad life here, which we're still doing really good. So shout out to R1 Concepts. It's already been over a year, and I don't know how many miles. I'll have to find out, but maybe I'll put it on the screen. But brakes looking great. Definitely need a new brake painting job on the backs. They're looking awful, so that'll be one of the next things to do. All right, so the tire. Let's check the tire out. So clearly no rubbing. So no rubbing on 315 tires on our SRT8s, guys. So there you go, all right? Let's do a little tire comparison there. So here's the 10.5 stock, not stock, but 10.5 Hellcat replica, 5 spokes, and 305 Mickey Thompson Race Stars. All right, let's do it. Swap it out. All right, so they come with these spacers, right? So this side where it says wheel slide comes on the outside, the curved side goes on the inside. So flat side on the outside, curved side on the inside. Don't put them in, like, don't put the actual lug nut with it. These are spacers, all right? I know some of you non-car guys would probably make this mistake, but don't make this mistake. Yeah, I did it. Rounded side in, flat side out.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
All right, so before I put it down, there was something people were wondering about. There's like a little, I don't know if you guys can see it in here. There's like a control arm that I'm touching it right now. So you can see it's clearly on the outside of the wheel. I know this is one thing people were worried about that they have to change out, but it's on the outside of the wheel, so it shouldn't hit on the way down. So let's go ahead and slowly put it down. Slowly put it down here. And there it goes. It's down. Let's check that control arm. I can't fit my hand in there anymore, but you can see there it is right there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but should be fine. Yeah, you could see it there. It's still sticking out. Sorry if I'm breathing kind of hard. I just tightened all the bolts. Like, whew, look at this thing. God damn. Yo, that looks good. All right, YouTube, so someone literally messaged me on Instagram, DM'd me so they wouldn't embarrass me. I made a post and these tires are directional, so they're backwards.
Is because you're a dumbass.
So they gotta go on the other side, and we'll swap them out in the correct direction. Appreciate you, my guy, for looking out for me. All right, so here you guys see how the stance looks. So you guys can see, looks fantastic. Let's get that rear view end look over here. Man, that looks good. Oh my God. Would you just look at that. Here it is with it on. It is getting hot out here in Arizona, but there you guys have it. There's the Mickey Thompson tires, the Race Star wheels, drag pack. It looks amazing, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I could give you guys a little quick review. I drove it just for a little bit. The tire hook's amazing. As you guys saw in that clip, I was in first gear. I shifted down in first gear. I was just going just under 20 and it hooked. It hooked really good. So I'm gonna be testing it out in the future, but I love the tires so far. You guys think in the comment section. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm SRT Dad. Now I'm out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.